What's up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world that makes me sweat sometimes. I'm here to break it down for everyday people like me and you so we can get to this money, this cheddar, this bread. Today, I want to talk about banks. Something interesting that I've been watching, I've been seeing, I've seen, and I feel like I should be talking about it, right? But before I get there, I gotta show my appreciation to the people that have been here watching. I do that. That's you. Yes, that's you. I appreciate you always. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. It looks kind of like this. Subscribe if you haven't. The button is right there. Can't make it any easier. I think it's on this side. I don't know. You find it. It's on the screen somewhere. Right? Comment below. Let's have a dialogue. Let's talk about what everything that I'm indulging in this quick conversation that we're having. So one thing that I've noticed, because I'm always overlooking the market, the banks have been doing very well. The bank stocks, let's just say, the bank stocks have been very well in the midst of all the chaos. They've been able to rise without anybody really like talking a lot about them. And I know why the feds are to thank for that mostly, right? They forced the banks to have set aside a reserve in case something crazy happened, or people couldn't pay. I don't know, and financial disaster. In case of financial disaster, they feds have, I think, still even to this day, they're making them keep a reserve. So that means they're just holding on to straight cash money right now. And who knows what they're going to do with it? Actually, I know what they're going to do with it. They already said what they're going to do with it. The stock buybacks. It's going to be crazy. But literally every bank, look at the charts. Look at from a year, 12 months. You got JP Morgan, which I've done videos on all these stocks I'm about to speak on. JP Morgan is just, chart looks like this. Let's see, what else they got? Ali Financial, chart looks like this. What else we got? Discover Financials, chart looks like this. Citigroup, chart looks like this. Even Wells Fargo, the bank that lied for bonuses, the bank that made racial, the CEO that made racial comments saying that there weren't enough, pretty much saying there weren't enough educated black people to work at Wells Fargo in high level positions. There's not enough. Interesting, right? The bank that just expected not to perform well, Wells Fargo, chart looks like this over the last year. So all these bank stocks are growing exponentially under the roof. No one's really like chalking it up about it. I mean, somebody's making money on these stocks. They're one of the this is one of the hottest sectors in 2021, and it's not even being talked about on the news. So is there more room to grow? I mean, yes, and I say that because they're holding on to this money, and when they want, they can kind of do whatever. Not whatever, but they're gonna do things to boost the economy. I think that's why the feds are making them hold on to all this money, because when it comes time to unleash, they're gonna bolster it up. But I mean, the stock buybacks can run their stocks up another 10, 15, 20%, in stock buybacks, just raising the price on the demand or shorting the supply. um what else? I mean, they can grow by loaning out more money. They're going to have more money, so maybe they can offer more loans. Maybe that's why the feds don't want to start touching interest rates yet, because they want more people to start taking more money from the bank. And obviously in 2020, everybody's savings went up, so businesses savings went up. So people, these businesses and people are still spending the money that they were saving, because everything was closed down, or however they were generating money. So before they start going to the banks for money, they're going to kind of spend their own money. And then when they run out of their own money, which that's going to take some time, which obviously we all kind of know that, banks, I mean, it could be the fall. The fall could be, or maybe it could be the summer. Who knows? There could be a lot of things that, the policies are changing on a month-to-month basis at this point, because there's just moves being made to make sure that the economy doesn't go shit the bed. Is how I like to say it, just very quite and simple. But yeah, the banks, man, I've been talking about the banks for some time, and I'm not gonna lie, like I missed out big time on the banks, and um, they'll continue to do their thing for a little bit. I'm just interested to see how they will pull. What would make the banks pull back? It would have to be something very negative, catastrophic. Inflation numbers, maybe. Yeah, probably inflation numbers would probably make them lose some juice because if they're sitting on a bunch of money and inflation jumps up to like 7% is pretty drastic, but we'll see. We'll see. I just feel like I had to talk about it so you can get your mind flowing, your mind thinking, looking for opportunities. Maybe you want to capitalize on the short-term gains of the bank stocks. Um, Whatever you want to do with the information that I just spoke on, please do it at your leisure, as you wish, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I've been noticing because I've been speaking about these stocks over the past 12 months. I'm just saying, y'all, I'm like a little, I don't want to toot my own home. I'm like a little guru. I'm like a little guru, right? I'm like a little guru. So do your due diligence. I'm going to continue to do mine. Let me know if this is something you noticed as well about the banks. Let me know if you've been able to capitalize on the banks. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts, perspective. Either way, and last note, if you're interested in joining the investing group chat, shoot me a DM above. I will get you all the details needed. It's just a group of individuals looking to build generational wealth so that we can continue to help each other. That's what it's about. So I appreciate y'all for watching again. I'll see y'all another day.